Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by prepping the exact area and making the first strategic cut. Measure the wall height and add 2 inches for trimming. This prevents short strips. Clean the surface thoroughly so adhesive bonds. Use 70% isopropyl or mild soap and water, then dry. Once clean, align and cut the first strip matching the pattern to adjacent pieces. Leave the backing on except for a 2-3 inch reveal at the top. This lets you position precisely, so you can reposition before committing the entire strip. You now position and adhere the strip with controlled pressure. Start by aligning the top edge and using a level to plumb the strip. Leave a tiny 1/8 inch gap at corners for expansion. Once aligned, slowly peel the backing down about 1 foot at a time while pressing the center outward to the edges. This prevents bubbles. Use a soft smoothing tool in overlapping strokes, and when you reach seams, trim with a micro-serrated blade. Make sure patterns match. If you misalign slightly, lift and reseat immediately. You finish by trimming, sealing edges, and checking for imperfections. Use a straight edge and sharp blade to trim excess at ceiling and baseboard, then press edges down with a small roller for full adhesion. If you find bubbles, release air with a fine needle puncture and smooth outward toward the edge. This preserves the adhesive. For corners and outlets, make relief cuts and tuck the paper, then add small adhesive touch points where lifting occurs. If a seam lifts, reheat gently with your hand or a hair dryer and press firmly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.